Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet teddy bear face applique. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was our basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see, we will use back thread. See, this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now for the third round we will start with 2 chain crochet stitches, and after that we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Okay, for whole third round pattern will be same. We will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. See, now here we have completed with the third round. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here we make a slip stitch and our third round is complete. Now we will make our first ear, and pattern for first ear will be, we will skip 2 stitches and in third stitch, okay, we will skip 2 stitches and in third stitch we will make 21 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself, and using only back loop of that stitch. Okay, we will skip 2 stitches. In third stitch we will make 21 double crochet stitches using only back loop of that stitch, and once we are done with 21 double crochet stitches we will join last stitch with the third stitch. Okay, in third we skipped 2 stitches. In third stitch we made 21 double crochet stitches, then we will skip next 2 stitches. Okay, and in third stitch we will join the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete and I'll show you. See, I am done with my 21 double crochet stitches. Now while joining again I will skip 2 stitches. See, 1, 2. I'll skip 2 stitches, and third stitch I will join it with the slip stitch. Please go on using back loop. So our 1 year is complete. This is the pattern for year. After that, for 21 stitches we will make one single stitch in each single stitch. Okay, one single stitch in each stitch for next 21 stitches. I'll just complete this. Now see, I'm done with 21 stitches. Okay, now we will make next year. Pattern is exactly same as we did in the first year. So we will again skip 2 stitches. We will skip 2 stitches. In third stitch we will make 21 double crochet stitches using only back loop of that stitch. Okay, we will make 21 double crochet stitches using back loop of that stitch, and when we are done with 21 double crochet stitches we will again skip 2 stitches, and in third stitch we will join it with slip stitch. See, this is how it will look. Now we need to make a border. For that border we will keep 2 loops on the needle, pull that black yarn from the needle and make a chain crochet stitch. After that we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch for whole applique using back loop of every stitch. Okay, for whole applique we are going to make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop of each stitch. So I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Now see, this is how it looks after we have completed whole border. But see, we can see those stitches. We don't want that. We want a plain border. Okay, for that what we are going to do, we will make one slip stitch. For whole applique we are going to do this. We'll make one slip stitch in each single stitch, downside of every stitch. See, I'm making to downside of every stitch, I'm making one slip stitch in each single stitch. See, in downside of every stitch I'm making one slip stitch in each single stitch. So this I will be doing it for whole applique. So we get like a broad border and those stitches are not seen. Okay, so I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. See, this is how a final piece looks like. So you just have to place now eyes, nose and mouth on this, and like either you can crochet it or you can place which are readily available in market. Okay, and if you want to crochet you will get tutorial for those on my YouTube channel. You can refer them also. And if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Those who have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.